Nail art does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be you. The beautiful and amazing colors and styles attract me deeply. Every time when a new color is developed, I can't wait to have a try. We all admire gorgeous nail designs. However, sometimes we're scared off from wearing some of the designs on the account that they're too intricate to create. For real uniqueness in nail art and design, you need to be quite creative with the patterns you create on the nails. Stepping out of the nail salon with a set of freshly painted nails can make you feel like a new person. There's nothing like a little pampering and fresh mani to make you feel like your best self. But it can get expensive fast, especially if you opt for some nail art. That's why I rounded up 10 of the simple and easy nail designs that you can do at home, and probably with the nail colors you already own. I'm not a nail artist by any means, but with these looks that doesn't matter. Whether you want to rock a set of stars along your cuticles, or a tonal gradient across all 10 fingers, simple glitter stripes, or a double French mani, you're sure to find a look, maybe 3 or 4 that you love. So please watch the video until the end. If you want to make tiny dots on your nails or create tiny designs of any kind, you need a nail dotting tool. A dotting tools let you do what a thicker nail polish brush doesn't. It also takes the stress out of having to hold your hand rock steady during polish application. If you don't have a available dotting tool, you can use push pins. These can create very fine dots. But of course, just be careful not to pin yourself in the process. You can also use toothpick, plastic dental pick, mechanical pencil, which measures 5mm. These are the special dotting tools that I normally use. I actually use this a lot even when I have a dotting tool nearby. You can also use paper clip, old pen, small flat head pin, round head pin, brush handle tip. Also, you can use thin tip brush. You can pick up thin tip brushes at any beauty supply store, but if you don't have time to get there, a small thin artist brush will do the trick. And since I do have a lot of brushes in my art room, I use a thin brush and it really helps me create thin lines and intricate detail that I wouldn't be able to create with any other type of tool. Make sure when you're done decorating that you need to clean the brush or brushes properly with a bit of nail polish remover. The tools you see in my video are my tools from 5 years ago. The only thing I have bought this year are the glitters, but I can say that will last for long. And of course, those acrylic paints, I use that for my painting. So please watch until the end and share with me your thoughts or experience about getting your nails done at home without spending much money or time. Maybe you can suggest other ways or tips that are useful, stylish, and realistic.